front of them. There's no nautical friendship in here. Sissy Vikings crashing down goes Peter Garrett, his head destroying like a roll on the odor of fall into the existence. Tony Abbott lurking in Budgie Smuggler's. You can see him dancing around, his chest like seaweed rotting into the ocean, trying to grab all that is left of Peter Reed's chins as they move and smash deep inside the cardboard of its ocean. Devastation in the middle. There's no Armada left. So many people have died in these perilous green oceans here in Canberra. This landlocked sea destroying even some of the greatest boats. Alan Bond's paintings were destroyed many years ago as he danced along with the speed vessel. Down goes the pier from Bunbury that Alan Bond created with Kevin Bloody Wilson. What a shocking name for a person. And now still fighting. The man who looks like Captain Haddock in that beautiful Acma marine gear with the Brazilian butterfly cardboard dancing off the top of his skull. They are still moving with spikes sticking into them and underarm hair pits made of cardboard. People are becoming organic in seconds as they bounce around across this twisted titanium steel sea of green. As they move across, we can see Jacques Cousteau dancing on the dry spot of the ocean as a lovely never sink still moving with her green mermaid hair and picturesque Pamela Anderson dancing rotating hips. Oh, and down they go in the middle. The carnage can be dangerous. Watch for your heads. We are Navy people. We're not common Somali pirates. Be careful of yourself. God damn it, man. They keep on trying to flat those top of those windsurfers round. I bet are they windsurfers or they sea-going vessels I cannot see always. These glasses inhibit me. I have cataracts dripping from my eyes due to the sunshine dripping upon me from the Sahara that I feel it is Australia, the Gobi Desert, but we are in Canberra. They keep moving, and there are people coming from all sides. I can see that Roland deodorant bald head right in the middle, who looks like Peter Garrett in army shorts, but I don't think it is Peter, because he is the education minister trying to help our youth. The Valkyries dancing on the outside in the red, staring at Captain Haddock and that strange